Hey everyone, Matt here, back in the studio. And for today's quick build, we're going to build a hitch. Now, this is a high clearance style hitch that we make and we sell in our online shop for the Toyota Land Cruiser, the FJ80 series. Now, we make a whole variety of different hitches for different applications for the Mitsubishi Montero, FJ60, the 70 series Land Cruiser, of course, the 80 series Land Cruisers, the 100, 200, the Prado 120, the Lexus GX 470, the Forerunners, all the way up to present day. We make and we sell these hitches. Of course, they're all made right here in the United States of America. America. And yeah, so that's what we're going to show you today in this video. We cut everything on our CNC plasma table, and then we use 1/4 inch uh, hot rolled steel. We buy the receiver part from an online company, and they're made in the USA. And we pre-purchase those receivers because for the price we can't beat it. They're dirt cheap and we can't make it for that. Even if we bought a 20-foot stick of tube and cut them and drilled the hole, it makes more sense for us just to buy the receiver part and we cut out the rest of it in different pieces and then we weld it together. Yeah, we sell them online. We're looking to sell them on Amazon. We just started selling another product on Amazon, so we're kind of feeling that out. But we sell them online on our website, and we sell them on Etsy and eBay, and they do pretty good. And yeah, so follow along. That's what we're going to do today. And if anyone would like to see the drawing or how we drew the hitch, how we drew the pieces, or how we, post process it, cut it, any of that stuff, I'll put a link to a video at the end. Um, I think I'm going to try. Don't quote me on that. But we do have another video that goes through the whole process of cutting and all that stuff. I'll be happy to do another video if someone needs a little bit more in depth in the Fusion 360 part, the actual CAD design part. Um, yeah, one cool thing that we're working on, or working with now, is we bought a 3D scanner. So we're working out the bugs and hopefully we'll get that figured out because it'd be real nice to 3D scan some of these pickup points or bolt holes and such in frames or different vehicles, input that into Fusion 360 and to be able to draw certain parts off of that. So that's what we're working on now. Hopefully sometime in the near future we'll have some videos on that. But yeah, sit back and enjoy, watch this guy do all the work. About time. He's good looking, but okay worker. Um, yeah, so sit back and enjoy. And I want to say thanks for everyone watching. This is going to be a short video. We really appreciate you. If you guys have any comments, please leave them down below. And remember, if I can do it, or better yet, he can do it, you can do it. Thanks again.